How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could turn on quiet mode on Instagram. So in order to enable or turn on quiet mode on Instagram, first of all, check for an update. So for that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box, type in Instagram. If you see update instead of open, that indicates you need to update your application. Once the application is completely updated, click the open button and log in into your Instagram account. So first thing, you can do it overall, which means that you can turn on quiet mode for all of the notifications. However, you can also do that for a specific contact as well. So if you want to do it overall, then go to your profile and tap the try bar icon, and from here go to settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, go to notification. As you click the notification button, as you can see, there's this feature as quiet mode. Go ahead and tap on it, and from here you can just toggle the button in order to turn it on, and you can also start the timing and ending time as well, and you can also select the date or customize it as well. However, if you don't want to do it so, then you can just toggle the button and the quiet mode will remain as it is. Similarly, to turn it off, just toggle the button and click on turn off. Once you've done that, it's going to direct you to the other interface. Apart from it, if you want to do it for a specific contact, then just go to your gear icon or the message icon, and then from here go to the chat page or the group and go to the info page. Once you're on this page, go to privacy and safety. Here you'll be able to find quiet mode, and you can just toggle the button and turn it on or turn it off. So that's basically how you can turn on quiet mode in Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.